If you're a coach that is posting content every single day or every week, but you still aren't getting clients, then it's probably because you aren't using YouTube in your business, or if you are using YouTube, you're not using it in the right way. Because the fact of the matter is that video content is really great for sales, especially long form content. In fact, Wise Owl says that 83% of marketers say that video content has led to higher sales and ROI for their companies. And so by using YouTube videos effectively, you can really start to get a lot of clients, leads, and sales to your business if you do it right. And so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you my super effective one video marketing workflow that you can implement for your business so you can start generating consistent traffic, leads, and clients to your business every single month. And it all starts by posting just one weekly YouTube video. By the way, if you don't know me, hey, I'm Shantae, and I have been a content marketer and YouTube coach for the past 6 years. I've worked in the content marketing space for so long, and I've helped so many different brands, both personal brands and large brands, to grow their businesses with the help of YouTube marketing. I've actually grown my own business this way as well, and I have generated over 1,000 leads from my YouTube channel organically for my business over the past 2 years. A lot of these leads have turned into course sales as well as coaching clients. So the strategy that I'm about to teach you isn't just theory, it actually works. Now, if you're watching this video today, it's probably because you are experiencing one of two problems. So either you're struggling to find the right content ideas for your YouTube channel, and so this is leading to you just posting random content that really doesn't bring in a lot of views and it really doesn't do anything for your business. Or maybe you are posting videos that are bringing in views, but you are struggling to convert those views into actual leads and sales. Now, the plan that I'm about to share with you will solve both of these problems. And so make sure you stick around until the last step because you want to make sure that you're implementing everything to get the best results. All right, now let's get to step one, which is to get clarity on your audience. Now, I know that some of you may be thinking, oh, but I already have that, but hear me out. When I say that you need clarity on your audience, I mean you need 100% clarity. So you need to know exactly who you're targeting, how you're helping them, and what transformation your offer brings them. Now, this step is so important that I have actually created my own content master sheet where I literally wrote down every single thing that I know about my audience and my offer. So I've written down things like their pain points, their challenges, their objections, their desires. And not only that, I also go and look at the exact words that they're using to describe these things. Plus, I went into a lot of detail on my master sheet about exactly what I offer in my main program. And so there I can go ahead and connect my audience's pain points and desires with my offer, and that makes it a lot easier for me to actually create content that will attract the right people to my channel and then allow me to convert them into leads and sales for me. And so every single time that I create a piece of content on YouTube, or that my clients create a piece of content on YouTube, they always need to think, how is this content piece leading to my coaching offer? And so what I want you to do is get out a pen and paper or go onto your laptop and open a Google Doc and go and write down as much information as you possibly can about your audience. And then also in a separate section of that same Google Doc, go ahead and write down all of the details about your offer so that you can effectively create content that attracts the right people to your videos. Once you've figured out who your one person is, you need to start creating one YouTube video per week. According to me, that is the bare minimum in my opinion, okay? I know there are other creators and YouTube coaches online that will tell you you can post less. But for me, the best results have come from posting at least one weekly YouTube video. And this is a long form video, not a short. Now, you aren't just going to post any random type of content. Instead, what I want you to do is I want you to post videos that fall into the different buyer stages. Now, the buyer stages are awareness, consideration, and conversion. So these are the stages of your funnel where you're going to, first and foremost, with the awareness stage, you're going to attract people into your world. So these people may not even know about you yet. They may have similar interests to the things that you're posting about. So for example, with me, I'm a YouTube marketing coach, but the people that my awareness stage videos attract may not know about YouTube yet, but they could be searching for things like email marketing, content marketing trends, social media marketing. Those different kinds of topics are highly related to YouTube marketing. And so YouTube's algorithm will then go and look for people who are searching for these similar kinds of topics and show my content to them. So these are the awareness types of posts that you need to be posting. Now, second, you need to be posting consideration content. So these are more your evergreen content pieces where you're going to teach them something and build trust with them. And these are also the videos that are going to keep living on your brand for months or even years after posting them. So I have literally created posts like several months ago. I think one of my posts I posted 10 months ago or even more. And that post brings in 200 views every single day. So thousands of views every single month. And it also builds my email list. And then as a result, my leads, my sales and clients. And then finally, at the bottom of the funnel, you get your conversion content. Now, this is the content or the videos that you're going to post that are going to show people the exact offer that you have, right? So in this conversion stage, it is very important for you to overcome their objections and to answer any last minute questions that they may need an answer to before they decide to invest in your program, okay? So these typically include, behind the scenes of your actual offer, objection handling like FAQs, etc. Now, if you want to start building this exact system step by step, I have also created a free 45-minute course. It's called the One Video Marketing System. And so you can go ahead and access the free course below. You can simply put in your email details and I will send the course to you so you can learn this entire content system step by step. The next step is to actually turn your viewers into leads and sales. So this is where I see a lot of coaches getting stuck with YouTube is they maybe are getting views to their YouTube channel, but they don't know how to convert those views into leads and sales. And so there are a set of specific things that you need to do in order to get people to go from viewing your content to coming into your world and becoming a client. Now, there are two separate methods that I like to use that have been successful for me and my clients. Now, the first method, and this is my favorite, is to have an automated sales funnel. So you're going to have either something for free or a low ticket offer. Then from there, you're going to have a tripwire. And finally, you can also have an upsell in your funnel that actually sells your coaching program. Now, if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and send emails to these people every single week to get them into your coaching program. And the way you're going to do that is by sending very valuable emails, telling your story, explaining how your coaching offer has helped others, and so forth. Now, the great thing about this funnel is if you set it up one time, it can keep working over and over again. So that's why it's called an automated funnel. It's going to keep on bringing leads into your world and then turning those leads into clients for you without you having to send manual emails or doing a lot of manual work. Now, alternatively, the second method, if you have a very high ticket coaching offer and you are someone who is brilliant at sales calls, then you can also have a booking link to a free sales call directly linked in your description. But I never want you to link your $1,500 plus coaching offer directly in your videos, because you need to remember that it's easier for people to say yes to something free or low cost than it is for someone to on the spot buy a $1,500 or more coaching program. Now, step 4 is to optimize what's working. So as you post more and more YouTube videos, you're going to start to realize what types of videos truly attract your audience to you and which ones are flopping or aren't working as well. And so you'll be able to look at things like your YouTube analytics, where you can look at the engagement of different videos. You can look at how many views and comments these videos get and so forth. And then from there, you can start creating more of the content that is working. So if there's a specific topic that you see is working really well, you can find different angles and just create several different videos on that same topic, but just present it differently. By doing that, you're going to see that your result is just going to keep on improving. You're going to start getting more views, more engagement, more leads and sales for your business. Now, the next step, and this is a bonus step, is to repurpose your YouTube videos. Now, if you've been on my channel before, you'll know that I am a big advocate of repurposing long form content into short form pieces or even other long form content. The great thing about YouTube videos is that I typically see YouTube videos as the top of the content repurposing ladder, right? So I'm going to show you here on screen. You'll see at the top of the ladder, you get YouTube videos. Now, the reason I place it at the top is because videos, and especially long form videos, typically have the most repurposing power. So in other words, it can be turned in almost any type of content piece. And so what I usually like to do with my YouTube videos, and with my clients' YouTube videos is, for my clients, I have turned their YouTube videos into SEO optimized blog posts. Now, what this then does is you'll start to get traffic from both your YouTube video every single month, plus you're going to start getting traffic from your blog. And it's the same type of content, so the same topic, but just in different formats. And so that way you're attracting both an audience that likes watching videos as well as an audience that reads, and you're getting the best of both worlds. Plus, you're also staying on top of the AI game, because let's be honest, AI is becoming more prevalent and more prevalent as the time goes by. And so you want your content to be able to show up in places like ChatGPT, Gemini, and all of those other AI search engines as well. Now, from there, you can go ahead and you can turn these videos into things like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, emails, Pinterest pins, you name it. You'll be able to change your YouTube video into those content pieces. And so this is where your content is going to start to compound, right? Because the YouTube videos and the blog posts that you're posting will be able to live for months or even years after posting it. Plus, then you're going to have relevant and new content every single week on all of your platforms, even though you're not technically starting from scratch, because you're just taking your YouTube video and turning it into content for your other platforms. Now, again, if this content system sounds like just the thing you need, you can go ahead and download my free 45-minute course, the One Video Marketing System. Inside there, I go into more detail about this entire system so that you can learn exactly what you'll need to do and in which order you'll need to do them. So you can go ahead and access the course below. I've linked it in the description. Now, inside this video, you've heard me talk about evergreen YouTube videos, and evergreen YouTube videos are typically related to SEO. So you are creating videos based on keywords that your audience is searching for. And so that way your videos can show up for months or even years after posting it. Now, if you want to learn more about how I do YouTube SEO for myself and my clients, I have created a separate video about it right over here that you can go ahead and watch next. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.